Hey guys, what's up? I just got this lactase enzyme from Amazon and thought I would open it up with you so we could take a look at the capsules together because you guys, I have started to struggle a little bit with some lactose intolerance, and it is not fun because my favorite foods are like cheese and cheese and cheese. So I've been looking for something that I can take that is going to be helpful for me. And I'm really hoping that this does the trick. But anyway, I just thought I'd take a look at the capsules with you so we can see. They're really small, so it should be easy to swallow. That's always a big question for me because I don't like taking things that are just super difficult to swallow. But these are pretty tiny, and that looks like that's going to be pretty simple. I did notice when I was reading the back of this that it says it's free of sugar, yeast, wheat, and egg. So anyone that has any concerns about that, that might be helpful for you. Anyway, well, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.